gonna feel stupid. Just come shopping. Come shopping and have to wear all this fucking shit you can't see. Can't fucking see, can't fucking hear. Yeah, Janice bought the whole store. Folks, we bought damn near the whole store. Got 3 carts. The question is it gonna go in that taxi over there? That's gonna be the question. We're rolling strong. Think about starting a sorry store. But I'm here at Royal. Here at Royal at SBMA. But I'm gonna be honest with you folks. It's fucking brutal. It's brutal shopping like this. I don't know how these folks work all day. I really feel sorry for them. This shit is unbearable. I got such a headache and I'm sweating so bad. You probably didn't hear a fucking word I said. That's just unbearable. Unbearable. Oh, yeah, this little ride's got a big old trunk. Look at that. I'm surprised we got all that up in there. Still putting stuff in here. Oh, yeah, look at that. However you want to get it in there, baby. I'm leaving you in charge. Folks, I brought those fish boxes and I put 2 of them in the back seat. And I tried to squeeze back there and I couldn't breathe. So I had to put 1 fish box in the front seat. And then me and Janice had to squeeze in the back with 1 of the fish boxes. Oh, by the way, if you come to Royal, buy a face shield before you get up here. They're 50 pesos each if you buy them from the lady out front. They're like 10 or 11 pesos each everywhere else. But you know what? It's all about location and supply and demand. And we had to have one to get inside. So we were out 100 pesos. Fucking $1 a piece for this shit. If we get everything in here, this is gonna be comical. This young lady's selling corn, and she's got lemons.
150 for lemons.
150 on the lemons?
Yeah.
How many lemons you got there, darling?
I got 3 pieces like this.
So 150 for all the
150 for 1 like this.
for all the lemons?
Yeah.
Cause I use those for deodorant. You ever use them for deodorant?
Yeah, it is for deodorant sometimes.
Yeah, it's good.
Sometimes it's for chaser.
Yeah, for a chaser.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, all right. Let me check my pocket. Hold on a second.
Okay.
Whoa! Run away. And folks, check this out. Will it fit? Oh yeah, we got plenty of room in that red cooler there.
I put you in there.
We got plenty of room in there, baby. You can ride in the cooler.
You.
Huh?
You.
Not me. It's a good looking corn right here.
Magkano tonight? 75 pesos. Oh, sige.
Oh, you guys 200? Wait a minute. You got money in that purse?
Yeah.
Unauthorized money. Baby, where did you get that unauthorized funds? Huh? Holding out on me.
All night.
Last night I was down to my last 8 pesos and she's holding Bitcoins up in there.
Okay.
All right, now show us what you got, baby. Tell us what's the price?
The lemon and what's that?
For how much?
Santol. I don't know what.
That's the Santol, but how much for it?
75.
75 for this and
150.
so
225.
so 225.
Yeah, it's okay.
We're good?
Thank
Good luck to you, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Nanay.
All right, folks, now let's see how packed out we are. Got that big fish box up front. Man, we are packed out. Baby, take this grinding helmet, put it in the big cooler over there.
Give me yours.
Oh yeah, shit, I had one on my head. No wonder I'm sweating. Now, folks, I'm gonna tell you, it's just an absolutely horrible shopping experience. Shopping in there wearing a face shield. I mean, the mask, you know, the chin warmer. Okay, I mean, it's bad enough, but when you put that face shield on, all you do is sweat. It fogs up. You can't see. Go to put your damn reading glasses on. You got the MPs eyeing you. Now, nobody yacked me today. Thank y'all very much in there for not yakking me. I was trying to comply, but occasionally you got to get the reading glasses out and read, you know, what the prices are, what have you. So my heart goes out to all y'all folks around the world. And I don't think there's many. I think it's just in this country that have to wear a face shield all day long for work. It's absolutely horrible. Folks, I'm not trying to get into the politics. Y'all know how I feel about this shit. But I couldn't do it. I couldn't work in there all day long wearing a mask and a grinding helmet. Can't do it. Maybe in my younger years, you know, I wore a lot worse shit than that, but at my age now, I'd have to buck the system. Can't do it. Baby, did you have a good time shopping?
My head, it's hurt.
Yeah, from looking through that damn face shield, I imagine.
The guard said to me, Mom, you put nicely.
Yeah, they use the word nicely. Put your mask nicely. Okay. Whatever. They're doing a tough job. I don't blame them. The absolute responsibility lies with the fucking idiots.
They have a pray.
We'll leave it at that. Hey folks, how's everybody doing? Lazy Sunday afternoon here at the Uptown Bungalow in downtown Barrio Barreto. Everybody's just been laying around. Little Forrest G's taking his afternoon nap. Mother's sleeping in the floor. I was kind of laid back on the couch. It's just a lazy Sunday afternoon. What can I say? Productive this morning a little bit. The ladies went out, picked up some chicken at the market and some vegetables. Yesterday we had a big shopping trip at Royal. Got stocked up on all the cooking supplies. I mean, let me just show you this. Hold on a second here. Folks, we kind of rearranged this right here. Got a little bit more room in my cooking station. But right here, I've got all my spices replenished. Even came in with some Morton sea salt. Got some ground up pepper. Got some baking supplies, folks. Let me peel back the layers on this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we've never seen this much food in this house at one time, ever. And all you refrigerator peepers, I know you're dying to take a look at my ref. Okay, I'm gonna show you. You okay, baby? Janice over there with her booty hanging out. Take a look at this. All the refrigerator peepers out there. My goodness! Look at all that in there. Vegetables in the bottom, full of sauces over here. My goodness. Oh, I know. I'm such a good foreign guy now. Got plenty of food in the house. But here's what I'm finna work up. I'm chopping up some chicken, some onions. Folks, I actually found jalapeno peppers. Holy crap. Real jalapeno peppers that are not pickled over there at Royal. They look like they've been on a boat for a long time, maybe seen their better days, but I'm not complaining. The only thing I'm missing is some bell pepper. Some bell pepper, but I'm gonna make a little chili oil. I think I must whip up some fajitas. It's fajita night. Those jalapenos are actually pretty damn good smelling. They're I think they came out of the U.S., but they were grown in Mexico. So I got some proper jalapenos here. Got all this stuff chopped up. Just using the coconut chopper here. I know it's a little one-handed operation there. That thing right there is a champion. All around tool right there. My goodness. Look at those. All right, we're ready to get down to business. Make sure that thing's on. The big tank down there. Hooked into this little portable Sonic, the champion. Oh yeah. Get a tune out of that trombone right there. I've got the chicken all chopped up. Kind of sliced up, fajita style. A little paprika. Vegetables ready to go, and I'm gonna start it out with some olive oil. I was out of olive oil. Now I'm back in business with that olive oil. You never put too much olive oil. Cooking in the large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. Sizzle zizzle, we are off to the races. I use this taco mix from McCormick. See how this is gonna taste. Just mixing in a little bit of water here. Have it on standby. May have put too much water. I'll try to lift this heavy lid and hold the iPhone and not spill a drop. Gordon motherfucking Ramsay can't do a cooking show like me. Look at this, a one-man show. You know what? Oh shit, just put the lid on there. You know what I'm doing? I'm tired of picking out seeds. So I got this here strainer. I'm gonna set that on there for just a second and squeeze that lime juice in there. Look at it go. Got these proper limes coming out of Mexico. I think they're coming out of Mexico. Got them over at the Royal. Look at that. Not gonna spill one seed in there. Due to my thinking ahead. Oh shit, that got hot. Check that out. My God, that's gonna be so damn delicious. And I'm gonna let it reduce down. It'll reduce down where the sauce is gonna thicken up on us. But that is gonna be some kind of delicious on these tortillas. Now I didn't have any sour cream, but what I did, I just took 2 lemons, squeezed the juice, mixed in a thing of cream. Because what I'm trying to do is make this ranch dip right here. I didn't have no sour cream, but I did have the cream. Mix it with a little lemon. There we go. Turn the light on this little iPhone 12 mini. Take the shadows out. Look at there, folks. That is going to turn out to be some beautiful dip. Tortillas are not cooperating. They're just falling apart. I got 2 sets, but this, what is that? Old El Paso. Damn things stick together. My whole crew is asleep, so I'm going to go ahead and eat. That way when Forrest G gets up, I can just go ahead and worry about feeding him. These tortillas fell apart. You're just pulling them out of there. They're all stuck together from that old El Paso. Now I got another set in there that I bought. They're fresh. I guess they're made here local, what have you. So next time I probably won't pick up the old El Paso. They just fucking fell apart. Got a little cheese. What is that? Pasta cheese? I thought I picked up some time of Mexican cheese, but that's okay. Check this out. I'm just gonna make it simple. That dude over there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's thickened up. Look at that sauce. Look at that sauce. I'm just gonna put it over here. My goodness. Put that guy on top. Make like a, oh, wait a minute. Put the jalapenos on there. And folks, I love jalapenos, and it's so hard to find fresh jalapenos in Southeast Asia. You can find the pickle ones, but it's hard to find fresh ones, and I found them, and I'm going big. And I'm also coming in here big on the cheese. Oh shit, that's mozzarella. Damn it. Well, that wasn't intended. I wasn't intended to go with mozzarella, but I'm already committed now. I put this cream in the freezer, and it is the right consistency. I was going to use this with the chips, but no, what's going on here? It's going on here. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, other than the damn Parmesan cheese, I'm gonna want a cheddar. Look at this. I'm gonna get me a fork and that Bear Grylls fake knife, and I'm gonna slice into this bad boy. All right, here we go. I want you to check that out. Make sure I got a piece of jalapeno on there. Here we go. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Folks, I'm gonna go eat. I'm starving.
It's a bit spicy.
It's not spicy.
It's spicy!
All right, folks, good morning. I'm up in the kitchen, got this pancake mix. Betty Crocker. Forrest G loves pancakes. I made some yesterday, day before, whenever. He loved the pancakes. See if we get a tune out of that. Oh, yeah. Simple breakfast, but he loves it. Folks, these ladies over here chopping up some jalapenos for me. Those jalapenos, those fresh ones I got from Royal, man, I am gonna keep myself in stock on these bad boys now. Check them out. Yeah, baby. Chop them all up. And what I'm doing is getting some.
We go Jollibee. We go walk with you, but we go Jollibee.
Honey, how did going for a walk turn into Jollibee? You know that I would never, in a million years, say anything about Jollibee. What you doing, boy? Honey, I can't go a day without hearing Jollibee or the word Matula. And folks, here's how these ladies warmed up my cheese sauce. They just set the bowl down on top of the rice, hit the cook button, and warmed up the cheese sauce. Now look, it worked, it's effective, but that is some redneck stuff, baby.
You don't have one?
I know, but now my cheese sauce probably smells like rice.
It's okay. That smells delicious.
Not for me.
Not for you. You don't eat. May not eat. Like that.
Folks, you see,
Jollibee.
you see the stress I'm under. All I did was try to come in here and get a snack of some nacho chips and cheese, and it turns into a discussion about Jollibee. You want me to substitute my beer money that I'm not buying for Jollibee money?
Anak ba? That's for
Good job there, Forrest G. Keep them ladies working, man.
That's for you, sir. Sausaw dito. Oh, good job.
He know to dip it in there. He like that cheese sauce. Whoa! Eat that, boy. Oh, Lord, son.
Mama, tissue.
Put the cheese sauce on his shirt. Now put that in your mouth, not on your shirt.